Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great today.
That's good to hear.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
That's a beautiful country.
Yes, it really is.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What are you studying now?
I am learning English.
That's a great choice.
Yes, English is very important.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to improve my communication skills.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice daily.
How do you practice English?
I speak, listen, read, and write.
Do you feel nervous while speaking?
Sometimes, but I try to stay confident.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, but mistakes help me learn.
That's the right mindset.
Thank you for saying that.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch them every day.
Do they help you?
Yes, they help me a lot.
Morning routine. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do light exercise.
Do you feel fresh after that?
Yes, I feel very fresh.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
Daily activities. What do you do during the day?
I study and practice English.
Do you go outside often?
Yes, I go outside sometimes.
Where do you usually go?
I go to the market or park.
Do you like walking?
Yes, walking is good for health.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, I often use the bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Shopping conversation. Are you going to the market today?
Yes, I need to buy some things.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy fruits and vegetables.
Which fruits do you like?
I like apples and bananas.
Are fruits expensive now?
Some fruits are expensive.
Do you bargain with sellers?
Yes, I always try to bargain.
Does it work?
Sometimes it works.
Food and eating. Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice and curry.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple food.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it sometimes.
Friends and family. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
How many people are there?
There are 5 people.
Do you spend time with friends?
Yes, I like spending time with friends.
What do you do together?
We talk and share ideas.
Feelings and emotions. How do you feel today?
I feel happy and relaxed.
What makes you happy?
Learning new things makes me happy.
Do you feel stressed sometimes?
Yes, but I try to stay calm.
How do you relax?
I listen to music.
Motivation and life talk. What is your dream?
My dream is to speak English fluently.
Why is English important for you?
English gives better opportunities.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, hard work always pays off.
Do you ever feel discouraged?
Sometimes, but I don't give up.
That's inspiring.
Thank you for saying that.
Evening routine. What do you do in the evening?
I relax and revise my lessons.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, but not for long.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep around 10 o'clock.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep peacefully.
Ending conversation. How was your day today?
My day was productive.
Did you practice English today?
Yes, I practiced a lot.
That's excellent.
I'm trying my best.
Keep practicing every day.
I will continue learning.
Never give up.
I won't give up.
See you next time.
See you soon. Take care.